A very good morning to all our viewers. We are live at the SAI, the Sai Football Ground, STC Center here at Northeastern Hill University, where East KHASI Hills District will battle out with RI-BHOI District. This is the finals of the Inter-District Football Tournament Men's, which is in collaboration with the Meghalaya State Olympic Association in celebration of the 50 years of our statehood. The team's lineup is as follows. Jersey number 1, we have Rajat Paul Lingdo, the goalkeeper. Jersey number 14, Ai Biang Mame Nongneng. Jersey number 3, the captain, Habimutshu Nongrum. Jersey number 4, Glady Kharbuli. Jersey number 6, Ever Brightson Sana Milimpada. Jersey number 5, Arlanki Nongsej. Jersey number 12, Enamji Jirwa. Jersey number 10, Sangti Janai Shonglong. Jersey number 13, Kaldolan Karmoflang. Jersey number 7, Dajit Lang Wanchnong. Jersey number 11, Badan Lang Rapsang. Jersey number 22, the substitutes Korbar Nong Spung. Jersey number 15, Nangte Bor Karluki. Jersey number 8, Fairming Suting. Jersey number 9, Charles Lingdo. Jersey number 2, Wellington Nongrum. Their coach, Sebor Sana. That's the lineup of RI-BHOI District. Jersey number 22, the goalkeeper, Diranius Walang. Jersey number 4, Henry Fort Nongning. Jersey number 2, Yobor Lang Lingdo. Jersey number 5, Michael Marweng. Jersey number 12, Fernando Malay. Jersey number 10, Sparkle Kongshay. Jersey number 9, Pinchisha Lapang. Jersey number 13, Risuk Malngyang, the captain. Jersey number 11, Bobby Star Nongse. Jersey number 14, Bright Star Taro. Jersey number 6, Jefferson Nongplang. The coach, Pinkre Nongse. And as you can see, the match has started. East KHASI Hills donning in green and green, while RI-BHOI wearing their customary black and white. And here comes a cross from RI-BHOI District, but that was a save from the goalkeeper of East KHASI Hills, Rajat Paul Lingdo. Here comes East KHASI Hills. That's Dajit Lang Wanchnong. He was the goal scorer, 2 goals yesterday in the semi-finals versus East Gentia Hills. Let's see what magic can he show in today's game. A corner kick in favor of East KHASI Hills.
I request all the archers, please come back to the archery field. I request all the archers, please come back.
That's the corner kick delivered by Dajit Alwanshang, and a header, free header, but it's way off the target. It's a goal kick in favor of, and that's a beautiful drone shot of the Sai STC football ground. A throw in favor of RI-BHOI District. Beautiful weather today in Shillong. A pass, but it's been blocked. A throw in favor of RI-BHOI. A throw in favor of RI-BHOI District. Searching for options. Dispossessed, and the ball is with East KHASI Hills. That's Sangti. Sparkle of RI-BHOI. Here comes Dajit down the right. Enam. The referee has signaled a foul. There'll be a free kick in favor of East KHASI Hills. That's the captain, Habimotsho Nongrum, jersey number 3, passing it to his teammate on the far left side. Here comes the shot from RI-BHOI, taken by Dajit Lang Wanchnong, jersey number 7, East KHASI Hills. A little bit of tiki-taka out there. The ball in the right corner. Little bit of dummy out there, no one contacting. No contact with the ball, and here comes RI-BHOI district. So that's Bulmi Power, your center, your match referee for today. And here comes Sparkle, jersey number 10, Sparkle for RI-BHOI. But his pass has been short-lived with a tackle by the captain of East KHASI. And it's a dangerous, jersey number 13, and that's a brilliant save. Brilliant save by Rajat Paul Lingdo. It was a dangerous pass by Habimotsho Nongrum. There goes the goal kick. Here comes East KHASI Hills down the left. Good cross, but no one to capitalize on that occasion. And here is RI-BHOI district. RI-BHOI district, jersey number 13, Risuk. That is a poor cross. And the ball is with East Genta Hills now. Arlang Ki Nongse looking for options. Passes the ball to Sana, jersey number 6. And it's a throw-in for East KHASI Hills. That's Sana with the ball. And Glady makes a back pass. The ball is given. East KHASI Hills having a fair share of the possession. A foul out there. They take it quickly. And here comes Sana from the right. That's a cross by Dajit, but not really worth. Both the teams fighting for the winner or the gold medal in this event. Here comes East KHASI Hills. That's RI-BHOI, jersey number 14, Brista. Jersey number 13, Risuk. RI-BHOI. It's Risuk again. He's looking for options. That's a cross. And now it's a beautiful goal. What a goal that is. The goalkeeper, unaware, thought it'll be beyond his reach. It did. And it went straight into the goal. That must be a wake-up call rather for East Khasi Hills, and RI-BHOI has done justice with their solitary play. Let's see if East Khasi Hills can bounce back. What a brilliant goal that was. So RI-BHOI district have broken the deadlock early in this game. Let's see what happens. Can East Khasi Hills equalize now or in the second half? We'll wait and watch.
Check.
Here comes RI-BHOI district again. That's Sangti, jersey number 10. He takes a shot, and what a save. What an acrobatic save by Diranius Walam, the goalkeeper of RI-BHOI. East Khasi Hills getting a corner in return. It's a corner, and Dajit Lang Wanshnong will take the shot. The corner has been taken, but it's headed away. Beautiful aerial shot of the ground. That's RI-BHOI out here. RI-BHOI district having the ball with them. And it's a long clearance. Sana back passing it to the goalkeeper. RI-BHOI district. Here comes jersey number 10, Sangti. Sangti looking for options. Here comes Glady. Glady passing it to jersey number 5, Alanki Nangse. Here comes Dajit, giving it to Enam, and Enam scores a brilliant goal. That is jersey number 12, Enam Jirwa. They have returned, they have come back, and they have come back in style. Quick pass, and that's what you do. Score it when you get the opportunity. This is turning out to be a good game of football, for sure. Both the teams have a goal apiece. This is the replay. There you see Dajit Lang not being selfish, passes it on to his teammate. A slight deflection from jersey number 4, Henry Fort Nongneng, but as I say, when goals come, all that don't matter. A throw-in favor of East Khasi Hills. That's RI-BHOI district now with the ball. They have to play cautiously if they have to win the game. Similarly for East Khasi Hills. That's RI-BHOI. Handball appeal. And they get it. change. So for viewers who have just joined us, East KHASI Hills are wearing green, RI-BHOI in the dark blue color. Both of them have scored a goal apiece. Here is a foul, so they will get a free kick. RI-BHOI. And it's a corner kick. Jersey number 5, Michael, will be taking the shot. He takes it, but not good enough. And here comes East KHASI Hills. And that's a push from behind on Badadlang Rapsang. He falls and it's a free kick. Where Glady Arlanki passing it to Sana. That is Arlanki again. Sana passes it on to the right flank, but it just goes straight to the goalkeeper. Here comes. So that's Sangti. That's Glady. And Glady has been fouled, so it's a free kick. Here comes East KHASI Hills. Crossing the ball out there, but it's been blocked. And the captain, Habibut Nogrum, making sure that there was no danger in the end. Enam with the ball now. And it's a free kick at a dangerous position. In turn, jersey number 4 of RI-BHOI, Henry Fort Nongning, earns a yellow card. That was jersey number 4. Both the players in consultation, Sangti and Dajit, as to who will take the kick. It's a dangerous position. And let's see what happens. Here's a shot. Oh, and that's a save. Plus, it touched the woodwork, the frame. That was a good save by Diranis Walang. Else that would have gone in and earned East KHASI Hills their second goal. Here is RI-BHOI District. Chested by jersey number 6, Jefferson Nong Plung, but it's gone out and it's a throw in for East KHASI Hills. Again a foul, and this time it's a free kick. This time it's a free kick in favor of East KHASI Hills. Glady with a shot. RI-BHOI District. A tackle by Caldolan. Just at the right time to get the ball. Here is Sankti. Sankti looking for Dajit, but he's been outrun. And it's in the safe hands of Diranis Walang, the goalkeeper of RI-BHOI district. Dispossessed, and East KHASI Hills. That's Glady getting it to, giving it to Dajit. Dajit to Sana. Sana crosses, but that's a block, and it's a corner kick. Corner kick in favor of East KHASI Hills. Brilliant cross. It's a header, and that's a goal. Brilliant goal. I guess that is jersey number, not quite sure, but looking at the celebration, it is jersey number East KHASI Hills leading. East KHASI Hills now leading 2-1. It's jersey number 5. That's Arlanki Nongse. So 2 goals in quick succession. Let's see what happens next. Has RI-BHOI district given up that early? I don't think so. It's a game of football and anything can happen in this 90 minutes. Here comes. That's Padanlang Rapsang passing the ball to the goal scorer, Arlanki Nongse. But that's a wasted chance by Enam Jirwa, who's donning jersey number 12. Here is RI-BHOI. That's Sana, Caldolan, Dajit, Caldolan again, dispossessed, and RI-BHOI takes it to the front, but gets back to Caldolan. Tackle from behind, referee says play on. That's jersey number 9 now, Pinchisha, who gets... So it's a foul committed by Pinchisha on Dajit, and in turn, East KHASI Hills, they get a free kick. Here comes Dajit. RI-BHOI district now trying to shape up again and not to give unnecessary or wasting their chances like that. That's Enam Jirwa. And it's been cleared away by RI-BHOI district's defenders. So here comes East KHASI Hills, but blocked by RI-BHOI district. Sana throwing in, and that's a throw-in in favor of RI-BHOI district. So for our viewers who have just joined, East KHASI Hills are donning green, while your RI-BHOI district players are wearing your dark blue color. This is the first half, and already we've had a total of 3 goals that has been scored, 2 in favor of East KHASI Hills. A throw in for RI-BHOI district. There comes the throw. A throw for RI-BHOI district. That's a good cross, but headed away by Habimut Nongrum. Gladdy with the ball. Arlanki Nongse, here comes, but that's a foul. That was a good challenge, a good tackle, but the referee felt that was a foul committed. Hence East KHASI Hills getting a free kick. Gladdy. Kaldolan. Lanki. That's Kaldolan again. Rajat Paul clears it, but it lands in the feet of RI-BHOI district player, jersey number 10, Sparkle. Passing it to one is a beautiful ball. Oh, but that's a long, way too long for jersey number 13, Risuk Malnyam, to chase, and a despair. A despair shot. Here comes East KHASI Hills. That's Enam Jerwa. He's at the D. This is Sangti trying to go one. Gladdy with a shot, but it lands safely in the hands of Duranis Walang. Practice session for him with those kind of saves. Jersey number 13, Risok Malnyang, getting dispossessed every now and then. Probably RI-BHOI district have not yet settled in. They are 1 goal lagging by 1 goal. Good back pass to Rajat Paul Lingdor. To be fair, both the teams are playing good quality football, but East KHASI Hills have had the domination in this half. It's a good pass, headed away by jersey number 13, Risuk Malnyang. That's jersey number 6 now, Jefferson, passing it to jersey number 9, Pinchisha. That's a good ball right across. Referee says nothing out there. Here's Enam, the goal scorer. The first goal scorer for East KHASI Hills in this game today, Sana. Sangti. He's got 3 players in front of him, and brilliantly done to give it to Enam, but Enam's touch was way too slow for his teammate to collect, and that has been cleared. But once again, East KHASI Hills coming back, and it's a throw in for East KHASI Hills. Jersey number 6, Sana, passing the ball to his teammate. Jersey number 5, Alanki Nongset. Here's RI-BHOI District. Good touch out there, and that's jersey number. And then a slight miscommunication prevents a foul out there. And one of the players of East KHASI Hills. Foul on Alanki Nongset, who was a goal scorer, the second goal scorer for East KHASI Hills. A good long shot taken by Alanki Nongset. Gladdy. Now Sangti has the ball. He's got options on his left. He's got options on his right. But that's a good tackle by the defenders of RI-BHOI District players. Prevents him from entering the goal area. Here's Alanki Nongset. Looks for his partner. That's Enam Jirwa. Sana out there. Looking for options, but again it's that's brilliantly done by Sparkle. No wonder he's wearing the jersey number 10 jersey out there. Jersey number 9 now, Pinchisha passes on to his teammate on the right, and that's jersey number 8, Damanbha Khat. It loses out. Here's jersey number 9 passing it to his teammate, but no one out there. Could have taken the shot at the edge of the area, but probably thinking that his teammate would run, mistimed it. Here is RI-BHOI District. A good pass. And there goes jersey number 8, but the referee felt that there was a shove. So it's a free kick in favor of East KHASI Hills. There's a player injured out there. Probably he's pulled his hamstring by the look of it. Bulmi Pawa is your center referee for the game. That's a beautiful drone shot of the Sai football ground here at the Northeastern Hill University campus. As the game continues, Sana gets the ball. But dispossessed, and Glady making the most of it, and that's a silly touch from Sana, which earns RI-BHOI District their throw in. Here's jersey number 2, Yobor Langlingdo, giving away the ball, but into the area of Rajat Paul Lingdo. That's RI-BHOI District. Glady giving the ball to the captain Habimut. It's Glady again, giving it to his teammate Enam. Sangti, Enam. Let's see what he can do. He's making a brilliant run, but there was no one in that position. The ball in most parts of this half lying in possession with East KHASI Hills. Badalang Rapsang. Here comes Sparkle. Sparkle giving a beautiful ball to jersey number 8, Damanbha. Let's see what he can do. He's taken a shot. Oh, and that's a lot of reflection, and turned out that the goalkeeper was at the right position at the right time. Good reflexes. Here's jersey number 9, RI-BHOI District, Pinchisha. Here comes jersey number 8, Damanbha. Let's see what he can do. And that's a good clearance. And it's a goal kick in favor of East KHASI Hills District. Habimut giving it to Arlanki. Arlanki taking a good long shot. Badalang Rapsang giving the ball to Sangti, but Sangti's shot is way off the target. Goal kick in favor of RI-BHOI District. Sparkle. Pinchisha. Sparkle again. But jersey number 14, Brista Taro, couldn't make full use of that pass. Here comes Dajit. And the referee says, get on with the game. Here comes RI-BHOI District. Referee attending to the injured player out there. That's Dajit out there. He was a goal scorer. 2 goals he had scored in the semi-finals against East Jaintia Hills District, which earned them a place in the finals. Here comes RI-BHOI District. A good pass. Jersey number 8 is alone. Can he finish? Oh, a free header. That was a free header to Bristar Taro. The goalkeeper was out of his position. Could have equalized that. Could have equalized. But unfortunately, the ball went just slightly above the horizontal bar, as here you can see. That is Daman Bha. He had a good look, and what a pass that was. No one. And there you go. Jersey number 14, Bristar Taro, must be livid with himself. And here comes Enam. What a save that was from Diranius Walang. Risuk Malgyang. Again with Risuk Malgyang. That's sparkling. Passing to its teammate. RI-BHOI are coming again. Wave after wave of firing at the East KHASI Hills half. Oh, that's a poor shot from Daman Bha. Kharthang Mao thinking that his player would anticipate the run. Here comes it's a throw in favor of RI-BHOI District. RI-BHOI District. And that's a foul. Referee says it has to be taken from the correct position, and there Sparkling giving the ball. Here's jersey number 13, Risuk. Sparkling. That's a cross, but a good block by Rajat Paul. Here is jersey number 13, Risuk. That's a good pass, but the power was too much for Pinchisha to chase. So that's Sangti. Sangti gave it to Dajit, but his pass was just not within the reach of Badanlang Rapsang. Sparkling. Sparkling. Pass to jersey number 11, Bobby Starr. But that's a throw-in favor of RI-BHOI. Sparkling out there, and that's the first half that has finished. And for all our viewers who have just joined in, East KHASI Hills District are leading the game with 2-1. They are wearing green while RI-BHOI are wearing black. So we go in for a break. Which will come back with the second half.
E4 of the men's 50 meters breaststroke. Next is coming up as E5, position 2 from East Jamaica Hills. One more time from East KHASI Hills. Last one, child covering the southwest KHASI Hills. Basau Batabakadu, Jongka 10 meter butterfly di Shengrang.
Hello, very good morning to all our viewers present out here. Right now we are starting with the 400 meters male under 23. Lane number 1 we have jersey number 16. And there you go. The race has started. Around the bend. Let's see who makes it. All the runners are equally strong. The 200 meters is up. Let's see along the bend who makes it. The 3 runners out there battling to make it into the finishing line. Moving into the last 100 meters. It's jersey number 5. Lane number 5, Krishan Namshila. Will he be able to make it? The photo finish race out there. Very quick. We'll have the news in just a few moments from now of who won the race. With that, we come to the under 23 female 400 meters. Lane number 1 is jersey number 95, Sildaris Makri. Lane number 2, jersey number 308, Bala Shisha Kharjarin. Lane number 3, jersey number 258, Pinhun Pueng. Lane number 4, jersey number 304, Graceful Marwen. Lane number 5, jersey number 035, Clara Jones Karbi. Lane number 6,
these are the finalists.
jersey number 259, Balisha Yao Piao.
Number 095,
Lane number 7,
Makri Ribhai District.
jersey 197,
number 308,
TM Sangma.
Shisha Kharjarin, Mau Kurwa District. Lane number
Jersey
3,
number
bib number
8.
258, Penhun Puwen.
Lane number 8, sorry.
Lane number 4, bib number 304,
Lane number 8,
Graceful Marwen,
jersey number
Kurwa District.
128,
Lane number 5, bib number
Jade Khan.
035, Clara Jones Karbi, Shillong Sports Association. Lane number 6, bib number 259, Balisha Nyau Pnyau, Nong Point District. Lane number 7, bib number 197, Tengrimchi, Sangma, North Garo Hills. Lane number 8, bib number 128.
All the athletes at their respective lanes.
Ratang Dakhar, East Jaintia Hills.
Let's see who wins the game. That's jersey number 258, Pinhun Pueng in lane number 3. Lane number 4, 304, Graceful Marwen. 035 in lane number 5, Clara Jones J. Karbi. So as you can see out there in front of your screen, the 4 athletes at the respective lanes. In lane number 1, jersey number 095, Sildaris Makri, representing RI-BHOI District Association, Sports Association. In lane number 2, chest number 308, Balashisha Kharjarin of Makorwat District Sports Association. In lane number 3, that's chest number 258, Pinhun Pueng, representing. Welcome back. This is the second half of the inter-district football tournament, the finals of the men's football, which is one of the disciplines of the 4th Meghalaya Games 2022. East KHASI Hills wearing green, RI-BHOI district wearing dark blue. And the scores, East KHASI Hills leading 2-1 with courtesy goals from Enam Jirwa, jersey number 12, and jersey number 5, Arlanki Nongse. RI-BHOI, the goal scorer for RI-BHOI district. Here comes RI-BHOI. East KHASI Hills, Sangti. Sangti with the ball, giving a touch and go to Enam, but Enam finds no one to support him. The ball goes off for a throw-in. Here comes RI-BHOI district, brilliant play, and that's a good pass. Referee does not think that there was malice involved in that challenge being taken. Player is injured and belongs to RI-BHOI district. Physio comes in, indicating that there's some pull on his arm. So as it stands, the score, East KHASI Hills 2 goals, RI-BHOI district still lagging by a goal behind. Here's East KHASI Hills with a long range shot, and that will be a throw in favor of East KHASI Hills. Jersey number 14, East KHASI Hills, Aibang Mame, and that's an offside for Sangti. Michael Marwin with the ball now of RI-BHOI Sports District. Dispossessed. Gladdy trying to give a touch and go, but it's been cleared by jersey number 5, Michael Marwin of RI-BHOI Sports District. Here comes Bobby Star. That's a shot by Badanglang Rapsang, but straight into the hands of Dirania Swalang. RI-BHOI District looking for that second goal, the equalizer. That will keep them and the team's hopes alive. Glady with the ball. That's Sangti. Dajit on his left wants it, but he's been dispossessed. Here comes Glady as well now. Here comes Dajit Lang Wanchnong. Let's see what he can do at this position. And it's been saved by Diranius Walang. A good save in the end. There's jersey number 8, Damanbha Karthangmao, looking for options. And he finds one. He finds jersey number 9, Pinchisha Lapang. But the touch and go has been wasted. All the efforts gone for a toss. Here's jersey number 11, Bobby Starr. Takes a shot, but well collected by Rajat Paul Lingdaw, the goalkeeper of East KHASI Hills. A long shot cleared away by jersey number 4, Henry Fort Nongneng. And that's a foul against East KHASI Hills. That's RI-BHOI District taking across. Here's Sparkle. And that's a foul at the edge of the box out here, the rectangular box. It's a free kick. That was Sparkle. Let's see what RI-BHOI District Association can make out of this. Can they take advantage of this situation? That is just outside the penalty box. Let's see if this free kick can bear fruit. Shot is taken, but that's a brilliant save by Rajat Paul Lingdaw. Way to his right, and it goes in for a corner. Let's see what happens in this corner kick. The corner kick is long, but the goalkeeper punches it. Brights Sparkle with that shot. Blocked. Again the cross, again the save. A good punch, solid punch from Rajat Paul Lingdaw. Shot taken from jersey number 5, Michael Marwin, but it's way off the target. Rajat Paul Lingdaw has been busy for these few moments. Tells his teammates to settle down. A goal kick. And that's a good long kick into the half of RI-BHOI District. Here comes Sparkle. It's a good cross, but headed away by Anlanki. Enam to Kaldolan. Kaldolan to Aibyang. Here's Aibyang. Glady to Dajit. Dajit, but he's been dispossessed. It's cleared from the dangerous end. East KHASI Hills riding along with 2-1 for now. Is that a free kick? Yes, that's a free kick just outside the penalty box. Sparkle arguing with the referee that he got the ball first, but probably the follow-on was just enough for Dajit Lang to come in contact. It's a very dangerous position. Let's see who will take the shot. All the players consolidating out there. On your screen, that's a captain, Habimutsho Nongrum. The 10 yards rule being followed. So it'll be Badan Lang Rapsang or either Dajit Lang Wanchnong to take the free kick. And that's Badan Lang Rapsang, and that's a brilliant goal. Beautiful goal. No way Diranis Walang could have saved that. And that was a brilliant goal by jersey number 11, Badan Lang Rapsang. Probably it was his strong area. As you can see, the flight took him out. He couldn't adjust the flight of the ball, and hence there was a brilliant free kick. So East KHASI Hills consolidating their position with 3 goals. RI-BHOI still have a long way to go. RI-BHOI with jersey number 9, Pinchisha Lapang, giving a slow pass to Sparkle. So the goal scorer just now was jersey number 11, Badan Lang Rapsang. Brilliant free kick. And now it is RI-BHOI's turn. RI-BHOI getting their fair share of free kick just outside the penalty box. It'll be jersey number 4, Henry Fort Nongneng. Can he return this? Takes a good look. The shot was taken, but that's a good save from Rajat Paul Lingdor. No threat to him whatsoever. And it's a throw-in for RI-BHOI district. RI-BHOI district coming from the left. Here comes RI-BHOI district, jersey number 14. Sparkle. Sparkle takes a shot that lands safely into the hands of Rajat Paul Lingdor, who makes no mistakes out there. Here comes Dajit Lang Wanchnong. Passes it on to Glady. Glady looks, gives it to his captain. Dispossessed. It's a foul, but the referee says play on. An advantage being given. And it's a throw-in in favor of RI-BHOI district. Throw-in. Here comes Sangti. It's a good tackle and it's a throw-in in favor of East Khasi Hills. Sangti, Enam, giving a touch and go out there. Enam, giving to Sangti again. Looks like only these two players are playing. It's a throw-in in favor of RI-BHOI. That's a throw-in again. Here comes Sangti. Sangti with Enam. Again Sangti. Kaldolan, Dajit. That's Kaldolan. A good dummy out there. A shot taken from jersey number 14. Aibang Mame, but not to the target. Here comes. RI-BHOI District with a throw-in. Oh, it's a free kick rather. Henry Ford, jersey number 4 of RI-BHOI District. Tall, lanky fellow. Passing it to Sparkle. Good pass by Henry Ford. It's jersey number 9, Pinchisha. Here's RI-BHOI District. Dispossessed and East Khasi Hills get the ball now. And that's a good run by Dajitlang Wanchnong. Let's see what he can do. He's a good cross. And that's another goal. It's Enam Jirwa again. Jersey number 12. Giving East Khasi Hills a wide cushion of 4 goals. 4 goals to 1 as of now. Brilliant goal, brilliant teamwork, team effort. Let's have a look at this. Dajitlang Wanchnong steps over, goes from the left, looks at his teammate. Sangti with another ball touch, and here comes Enam Jirwa. What a goal that was. So that's 4-1 in favor of East Khasi Hills. RI-BHOI have a Herculean task to save themselves from embarrassment. Here comes East Khasi Hills again. What can they do now? It's jersey number 12, Enam Jirwa, the goal scorer. Here is District's RI-BHOI District Sports Association. Sparkle with the ball. Henry Ford with jersey number 9, Pinchisha Lapang. Defender's role should be There's Sana. Sana with Kaldolan. Here comes RI-BHOI District, but can they get the ball out here? And it's been cleared away by East KHASI Hills. A throw in favor of East KHASI Hills. Rightly so, the players of East KHASI Hills look pretty relaxed. Substitution has been taken by RI-BHOI. Fresh legs. Let's see what RI-BHOI can do with that piece of substitution. That was jersey number 3 coming in. Sumarva Bare. Sorry, jersey number 3, Bansuklang Limpuj. Dajitlang Wanchnong. Dajitlang Wanchnong again. Enam Jirwa. He's probably hungry to get his 3rd goal, which will earn him a hat-trick in this finals. It's jersey number 14. But the pass is really not that great quality. So it's RI-BHOI District again. Here comes RI-BHOI District. That's the beautiful ball way down on the left. But Arlanki Nongse defends bravely out there. Throw in for RI-BHOI District. Let's see what they can do. It's jersey number 8, Damanbha. But his shot was not taken powerful enough, and it lands for East KHASI Hills to take a throw in. East KHASI Hills are basically on the back seat right now. They obviously have 4 goals cushion. Let's wait and watch what can RI-BHOI District do now. They need at least 3 goals to take the game to the tiebreaker. Jersey number 4, Gladdy. Dispossessed. Bobby Starr. Bobby Starr to jersey number 5, Michael. Michael gives to the new player in the ground, Bansuklang. Dajitlang. Sangti. Enam. Jersey number 9. Charles Lingdor. Henry Ford. Brilliant piece of skill out there. A great defender. Shows what a defender should be, not to haphazardly clear the ball, but to really use your head and see where your options are. Sangti. Giving the ball to Sana. Sana again to Sangti. That's Glady. Glady to Sangti. Glady with the ball again. He's moving down the right. A good cross, but intercepted by jersey number 2, Yopalang Lingdo of RI-BHOI District. Good piece of dribbling skills out there. And here's the cross. What can Dajitlan Watchnong do? But that's a good save by the shot. And that's Sangti. Sangti, jersey number 10. Oh, it's an offside. It's an offside. That's an offside. Everybody was cheering out there for the 5th goal, but then the assistant referee, too, on the other side, at the right position, saw Sangti was in an offside position and disallowed the goal. It's Glady. Jersey number 14 right now. Aibyang. Aibyang. Dajitlang. Here comes Sparkle of RI-BHOI District, and he makes a great move. Too much of carrying the ball out there, not passing, will obviously lead you to get dispossessed. Here comes Sangti. Sangti to Sana. Sana loses. And here, jersey number 12 of RI-BHOI District making way for his teammate, jersey number 15, Edric Mayong. Here comes Dajitlang Watchnong from the left. And it's a good tackle by jersey number 3 of RI-BHOI District. Here comes RI-BHOI District again. RI-BHOI District going to jersey number 5. Michael. But Michael getting dispossessed by jersey number 14. Aibyang. And it's a throw-in for RI-BHOI. And that's a player injured. Inside the penalty box. So this is the finals of the Inter-District Football Tournament, which is one of the disciplines of the 4th Meghalaya Games 2022. And right now we have East KHASI Hills, who are donning in green. They are winning at this time 4-1. Habimut. Here comes Dajit. Dajit with Habimut. Habimut to Aibyang. Aibyang, lovely piece of quick skills out there, but it is now a throw-in for RI-BHOI.
With 6 points and target number 2-0.
So throw in for East KHASI Hills. judging from the body language of RI-BHOI district, they seem to have given up, but that Sparkle out here. Let's see what can Sparkle do. Good piece of dribbling. And the shot has been acrobatically saved by Rajat Paul Lingdo. Probably there wasn't enough power in that shot. But jersey number 10, Sparkle Kongshe, has really been the man of the match for RI-BHOI district. It's a corner to RI-BHOI district. Again another player down out there. That was jersey number 5, Alanki Nongset. Alanki Nongset now giving the ball to his captain, Habimud. Aibyang. That's a good cross. Henry Ford now with the ball, but his pass has been wasted, and it's East KHASI Hills' throw in. Here comes Habimud. Badanlang Rapsang. Dajit looking for options. What a nice through ball to Badanlang Rapsang. And what a goal by Badanlang Rapsang. That is the 5th goal. Brilliant pass from Dajit. Brilliant goal by Badanlang Rapsang. That's jersey number 11. And looking at the scoreline, looks like it's all over for RI-BHOI district. Here you go, have a look at that, and what a shot that was. As you can see, it was just a desperate dive by the goalkeeper Diranius Walang. So 2 goals from Badanlang Rapsang, 2 goals from Enam Jirwa, and 1 goal from Alanki Nongset gives East KHASI Hills a total tally of 5 goals. RI-BHOI district, they look like they're down and out. And it's a foul. It's a free kick to RI-BHOI. Jersey number 3, Bansuk Lang. Let's see what can he do. He takes a shot, but the header is not in that direction where it should be. RI-BHOI district Sparkle has been the lone player for his team in this game. It's been running up and down. Cross, but straight into the hands of Rajat Paul Lingdo. Aibyang Mame has really worked hard for his team from East KHASI Hills, and that's a foul by Bansuk Lang. Sorry, that was a foul from Edric Maoyong on Dajit Lang Wanchnong. Probably the frustration has set in amongst the players of RI-BHOI. Not getting the chance, not getting spaces, not getting the movement that they should be getting. Because East Khasi Hills have been on top. They have really marked each and every player well. They have actually looked at the loopholes of RI-BHOI District's game. Here comes jersey number 3, Bansuklang Limput of probably a change in the ball. RI-BHOI District good dribbling skill out there by jersey number 8 of RI-BHOI, Damanpa. And that's a goal from RI-BHOI District. Or not really, it was an offside. An offside has been, no wonder there was no celebration amongst the players. It's an offside, and there's been a substitution for the goalkeeper of East Khasi Hills. Rajat Paul will make way for jersey number 22, Korbar Nongspung. I think Rajat Paul Lingdo has earned his accolades in this game. He's really saved a lot of arsenals from RI-BHOI District's attack. And that's a throw-in in favor of RI-BHOI. Here comes RI-BHOI again. A throw in favor of East Khasi Hills. Well, the match looks more or less a one-way traffic. RI-BHOI District trying to get that second goal. That's East Khasi Hills out there. Here comes Aibyang Mame. Aibyang Mame giving it to his teammate, jersey number 9, Charles. Habimut merry-go-rounding the players of RI-BHOI District. Habimut. That's jersey number 8, Faming Suting. To remind our viewers, this is the second half. East Khasi Hills dominating the show with 5 goals. RI-BHOI District could only manage, as of now, a single solitary goal. But nevertheless, that was a very good goal by RI-BHOI District. Caught Rajat Paul Lingdo unaware. Here comes East KHASI Hills, looking for that 6th goal if they can. And that's a nice pass from the right flank. Sangti looking for options. But his pass is not of that great quality, and it's a throw-in for RI-BHOI District. What can RI-BHOI District do now is at least score a goal to salvage some pride when they go back. Sana brilliantly defending out there, but carelessly kicking the ball out for a throw-in for RI-BHOI. RI-BHOI District. So good cross, and it's safely into the arms of Korba Nongspung. Sparkle. Dazzling move out there by Sparkle. And as you can see, he's been the lonesome, so as to say, lonesome archer in that field for RI-BHOI, and he earns his team a corner kick. Corner kick taken. Header but cleared away. A shot from jersey number 2, and it just kisses the horizontal bar out there. Korba Nongspung was really not in a position to save that. Good shot from jersey number 2, Yoba Langlingdo of RI-BHOI District. That's Dajidlang Wanchnong giving it to his counterpart Baranglang Rapsang. A throw in for RI-BHOI. Jersey number 2 running his way, Yoba Lingdo. It's with Bobby Starr now. Bobby Starr giving it to jersey number 9, Pinchisha. Cleared for a throw-in. Here's jersey number 8, Daman Bha. Cleared by Habi Mutsho. Henry Fort now has the ball. And that's the end of the finals. The referee has blown the whistle. It's East KHASI Hills who dominated the game right from the word go. Splendidly scored 5 goals, with RI-BHOI scoring only 1 goal in the game. What a brilliant match it has been. East KHASI Hills winning it comfortably by 5 goals to 1. 2 goals apiece from Enam Jirwa and Badanlang Rapsang. With this, we now know who the gold medal winners are. It's East Khasi Hills. The silver goes to RI-BHOI. And it has been a brilliant game of football, with all districts taking part in the show, in the discipline. And in the end, East Khasi Hills showed why they are the best. Let's have a look at some of the goals that were scored in this game. So that was the equalizer by Enam Jirwa in the first half. A slight deflection from Henry Ford cost Diranius Walang, and that was the header by jersey number 5, Alanki Nongset, giving them the lead at that moment. And here comes the free kick. The flight took it away from Diranius Walang. Gonna judge the power out there. And this was Dajit Lang stepping over from the left. Gave a good cross, and Enam just had to tap it in, giving his second goal and his team's fourth. And that was a brilliant goal in the end by Badanlang Rapsang, taking his team's tally to 5 goals. We all thought that that would have been a goal for RI-BHOI district, but that was an offside. So it has been a befitting end at the Sai STC football ground here at Northeastern Hill University. East Khasi Hills district winning the inter-district football tournament, one of the disciplines of the 4th Meghalaya Games 2022, by a comfortable 5 goals to 1.
Guys, Dadah yang kamera. Ya. Dan dadah yang kamera. Kami sikit stop semua aktif sikit. Berit tak? Berit. Semua dia. Nak yang ini semua. Right there. Lim. Tu kecilan tak? Kan apa tu?
Tim mentang idan iba seibor sana ibadi coach jangka football team jangka East KHASI Hills keba mentang sengi kelala ban job hakaba ka East KHASI Hills kelala ban tep Sangor persya ya ka RI-BHOI district tiba sana big congratulations ye phi ba ka team jung phi te ka iga jing sngo jung phi ban kong do hadim pilala ba ka knun jung phi ki players jung phi pilala ban job ha kini jing lekam dasni
Kabanungkong hi ngapan pau jing sungu yo boleh bat ba kajing sungu kalong ru ya ki official jong ka ki ba penyat ba kabari na ka state level hi baro kawe halor kini ka tournament hakaji sang la kwa ba ki kini tournament ki ade ban don bun teli lese man kapor khnang ba ngin la ban produce player haka state ka jongi nang tapat ngasngau tenat sibun ru na kabenta ka jipan kre ya kene ka team ka jonga bat ka banungkong lese ngaong namar ba ka SSA ka Shillong Sport Association ka ba shim kene jir kle kala karpat yang da ka boong ba ngin penbun ki player ki bolong thamai hapo ka ni ka team ka menta bat na ka daw la pi hang ni ki player bangim pat dai than namar ki de ki player ba wana fourth division na ka tu ka under 20 ka baladap ka ba dang shudap hang ni ha ka ba ka Tendring Sport Club kolong kalado bat ka PFR kalong ka nasab bat kini kertli ki team bat namlim de ki don menta ban ye khon ya kene ka inter district ka bolong menta bat kentubru ye ki ka to gengot ki experience player ki badan lambat ngi ki badang kham khna tengah sungo bakani ka platform ban check ya ka balani ban banom sha open to all ane ban bu tang hapo ka ba RI-BHOI snem kalong ka jimentoy ya ka future jing khna ki ban wan
kindiat kumno ka jipan kre jung pina benda ki players suara ni ka game
sibana inga pen kre ya kene ka tournament namar bagari kenong out haga juga por southly continuously lane lenter bi habani lekai tengam concentrate thani ka fitness na super khat ki player penbun nga thai boro usaki kata bangim run ngi mare ngi yele da kini ki short passes kamot kanang mi ko sengi kata kenang klan but hagi game ko ladap singim dalong ngem da klan kata hari na kata ka daw kacipan kre ka long bet ni concentrate tang gawe ka tactical part ba kata ka short passes hagani ka shibnai but ni yo so jong ka job
Congratulations buat sana and Saisin big congratulations na menda juki ba ka team juki congratulations
okay thank you
Audio is coming from there.
Okay. Yeah. Dan iba baslan marngar ibari coach jong nak kaliang jiki kinte ke jingle kai football jong ke West KHASI Hills hakaba ke West KHASI Hills kelala ban pelim noi ke East KHASI Hills dalai gol la not teba te ke banding kong do kumno ke jingpen kre jong pi na banta kini ki players jong ke West KHASI Hills
Ke jingben kre jungi kalong ka ba hakapor ka balengkat nimyo watang sitiyo ru ngla persang hi ban wat ki player nan nang tai ban yo ban penbiang ke team handai iban ada last minute ngidang jenjar ban yo ban pendap ya ke team am ngisyo khot ban penwan sa silong me lek kai hada kata nang yo i por balong lengkot within tang san sni te kata por ngisyo penkrep practice siki ting ya lek kai sini handai ngidon pada spirit bagi ong mede ben lek sate silong om silet tang man ya wan kai sini handai pen i kisap talent jungi bagi yo achieve ya ke ka bangi ngitmu
te ke galinti ba pi inang nis kmat na banta ka kunhon jong pi pan
Kalenti kalong ba ngakerman ba nginang yel kai khama omdei ta ong bangi job sisin kan syukut no tangkum tu hendrei kadai ngi bing hal kai khamai practice kham penbiang kapor practice nang ta ka management ro haban le khamha khnang ba nginang kiu na kapor support ong tang ginlong tangkat ni ka bangi yo menta
okay ba kumli sibun big congratulations ya pi buat ke team jong pi nang ya chkmat
okay thank you
Mendapat ngidan iba lamat o lalu ibadi match commission ngias ngap na i kendiat ke igbai dan menong ba ke igbai PE ya ka Meghalaya team hapo sansnem hadin sansnem long by day ga bat ka jingle kai football
Ngasngutuna banong ni ba hajing dai bagi kai football po Meghalaya ngilong ke Meghalaya kalong ko koi ke ba pau ha ka kami kai football kat kumiji oi nga ngisnem kinang don player bobon kinang kiu hamtam gini age group idon bon ba kita ga po Meghalaya hi football kumagang la lupa kadai ga kebengi keberohi bagi kinopika ke belong interest ba ke football te kita cuma segala niat manang don
te ke Kentin kau ban ong pan banta kini ki players kedang sedang ban ke ban san parok ki district jang kejelang.
Hajing dai bagi player dan kena sang ki ko ai ba lagi don ni ki coaching ki ba seborok ki district kamtan government ganbo ya bo borok ki district jongga Meghalaya kenang begitu kena bidang rit dang san bidang kha dang ke kinang kiu nang kiu ki ko ai ba lagi don mumta ngetrai ba bro pai ngong no kumo ko kasil sel ko la bon ki coach ki players ki bon ba Handai watch ki district ki sekolah pagi district kemudian lai bagi ki dunai ki kena te kumta na kaliang ga iskasi gibot kum West India jong iro way ba kiu iro la bon ki coach kami ngi kumta ki coach lagi don ki football coach te kena ro ki kiu
Dak beli shibun bai ka pot jang pi ban kimi lenti sekamat ya kita ke baba beli shibun